Hi everyone, this is AutoCAD 2025 and I am facing issue because I am unable to find the Home tab on my AutoCAD screen. So if the Home tab is not showing in the AutoCAD, it usually means that a ribbon is hidden or the tab is turned off. How to bring back this Home tab or ribbon in AutoCAD? Go to the command line, type here ribbon and enter. After hitting the enter, now I can see the Home tab on my AutoCAD screen here. So with the help of the ribbon command, we can see the ribbon or home, insert, all these tabs in the AutoCAD.